How to cancel Tinder subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Play Store, and if you are on iPhone, just simply open up the subscription section in your settings of iPhone, and over there you would be able to find Tinder. Just simply unsubscribe for its subscription. And for the Android, simply open up Play Store and click on the profile icon at the top right hand side corner. Here, select the option of payment and subscriptions. Then select the option of subscriptions. Now here, you would be able to find all the subscriptions that you have in your Google account or your Play Store. Simply select Tinder and cancel its subscription. The other way is that open up Tinder, go to the settings, and over there, you would be able to find the subscriptions option. Simply select it, then cancel your subscription. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.